All right, good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to give you an update of what we're going to do tomorrow. We are going to meet at the Cinco Ranch 2 Park at Hayward Crossing, which is located in close proximity to Katy Gaston. We'll meet here at the park, do our warm-up routine, and then we're going to head across the street, which is Somerset Ridge, so you can park your vehicles in around this area, maybe in the neighborhood, walk across. But we're going to do our workout right here. Okay. This is a flat and fast 1,000 meter loop. We're going to use this for interval 600s to introduce those 600s. If you've got your cross country spikes, please bring them. We will start after our warm up. We're going to start in this approximate spot right here. And then we're going to run basically along the flat grass of the bayou. The 600-meter mark is right here. It's almost even with this drainage area right here. Boom. And then from this specific point through the remaining part is 400 meters. We'll regroup and we'll rock and roll again. That's the basis of it. There we go. Can't wait to see you all tomorrow.